Hello everyone, it's Monday and today we've got 20 cleans. It's all local Leverington area, Wisbech St Mary, so it's close to where we are. And I've got Matthew and Sophie. Sophie's back from our holiday. Yeah. Matthew's just saying we're going to get buckets of water to throw over as well, so she knows how we felt on them days where it was chucking it down. So see what happens today. Will we do it? What?
It was pretty wet in the pool and the beach.
Pretty wet in the pool. Fair one. That's a good one, isn't it? Look at that, thinks that's funny. That's a good one. But anyway, we'll crack on, see if we get it all done. Pretty sure we will because the weather's on our side today. It'll just be nice and cool. But now I've said it, we'll see what happens. Done 9 cleans. I've got 11 left to go. I've also managed to quote today as well that's been accepted. It's basically just at the back of the property, gutter clear, fascia softs and gutters, one window, and then below that there's a conservatory. So it's conservatory roof plus the conservatory windows done as well. So that's all booked in, ready to go. We've done the majority of the work this morning in terms of value that we're going to get during the day with those 9 cleans. So the next 11 are actually under half the day's work, so I'm hoping we're going to be on point for a decent finish as well. Right, that's us done, finished for the day. We finished 10 to 4 in Asda car park. I've said to Matthew and Sophie if they want stuff, nip into the shop. So I've been in, got a little bits myself. 40p packet of sweets, can't beat them. So that's that done today. Luckily the weather is good and yeah, all done. Hopefully the rest of the week will go like this as well. We've got some good days coming up where I know we tend to finish at a good time as well. So it'll be interesting, 3 of us working a bit faster, what sort of effort, what sort of outcome we've got. Anyway, look out for another video that should be coming up here now for you to watch. Thanks for watching.